Hi, this is Teacher Maria of the Q's Academy. Welcome to our new topic for today: chemical change, definition, and examples. What is chemical change? Chemical change occurs when substance combines with another to form a new substance. Chemical change, also known as a chemical reaction. Unlike physical changes, where no new substance is formed, in chemical change, there is another or something that creates it. So there is a new substance. In chemical change, there is a chemical reaction involving the rearrangement of atoms. So here, they are always accompanied by one or more new substances. Take note of the word new. There are five conditions of chemical change: color change, formation of a precipitate or bubbles, formation of gas, odor change, temperature change. Examples of chemical changes are burning, cooking, rusting, and rotting. So, how to identify chemical changes? Look for the signs like change in color, formation of the bubbles. If you can see bubbles, that's one sign. Production of heat or light, like burning, the, the appearance of a new substance. So those are the signs. So chemical changes often involve energy transfer, like exothermic reactions, release energy like heat. Example, burning a candle. So that is one example of chemical change. Another one is endothermic reaction. It absorbs energy, like for example, cooking an egg, where heat is absorbed to change the egg's structure. You try it. Here are the examples of chemical change. First, we have burning of wood, of course, because there is another substance being formed, like ash. And then, souring milk. You can see bubbles. And then another one is mixing acid and base. It produce salt. So this is an example of chemical change. Digesting food. When you digest food, it will change because there is a chemical change because enzymes in the stomach and intestines break down those food that we eat. So that is one example of chemical change. Cooking an egg, of course. Heating sugar to form caramel. Another one is baking a cake. It takes a batch of ingredients and rearranges them with the help of heat. Take note of the word heat to form a new substance. That is a cake. Rusting iron. If you can see rust, that's already a sign that that is a chemical change. Rotting of fruits. That is a chemical change already. Decomposition of waste. That it turns into fertilizer. What else? Making popcorn. Another one. Leaves changing color. Leaves, when they change into color, they undergo a chemical change. Teeth decaying. That is an example of chemical change. As the bacteria consume the sugar and use it for their own energy, they produce lactic acid. So, chemical change. Wine fermenting, of course. So, chemical change is a change of materials into another new, take note of the word new materials with different properties. One or more than one new substances are formed. So, another substance is being formed or another product. Understanding chemical changes helps students appreciate how substances interact and transform into everyday life, emphasizing the fundamental role of chemistry in natural and human made process. Take note that chemical changes are irreversible. Physical properties, as what we have discussed, it is reversible, but chemical is not. Once the chemical properties of a substance are changed, it becomes another substance, and that is permanent. Thus, it cannot turn into its original state. Like, for example, um, the apple is being rotten, it will not turn back into fresh apple, right? So that is irreversible. This kind of change cannot go back or turn into its original form. So irreversible. Okay, this is irreversible. And remember that chemical change teaches us about transformation. Just as God transforms us through faith, reflecting His design and calling us to be patient and shine as light in the world, we remember that every time we change into a better person, God is happy for us. Change for the good, change for the better, and follow our God. This is Teacher Maria of the Kids Academy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment down below what will be our next topic, and then do not forget to share this to your friends. Thank you.